This kind of reminds me of the Shelby G3 350s back in the day. You've seen some guys, I wasn't there. If I was wrong in this comment, correct me. But from what I've seen a lot of the old Shelbys and Mustangs cruising around. They had a nice dual setup in the center. Now, I thought about spreading these out just a hair, but man, I kind of think I want to sneak these in here and really see how they look. They look fantastic. That way when I turn them off, you've just got, boom, factory headlight. Looks great, gets all the old guys, including myself. I'm not an old guy, not yet, well, kind of. My back's there, jeez. Woo, I'm not kidding you. I got up at 3 in the morning this morning on my day off, and I was in the hot tub trying to catch my breath. All right, so I am qualified to say these look good. I like them. I'm pretty impressed. As you have seen, this is super light forward to 16,000 lumen, 2-piece, 7-inch utility light, fog light, or if you're creative, keyword creative, headlight. Pretty proud to be checking these out. All aluminum casing. It's got a nice rugged mount right here. Paint that up black, you're good to go. This thing is covered in LEDs. It has a spotlight that looks like an actual spotlight. And you see products out there and they're showing something, they're garbage. This doesn't appear to be. So let's get these mocked up in place. And my thought is this may not fit my appearance, so I might sneak them behind the grill, and then this can be an awesome hybrid utility light, something like that. So let's take a look. You've already seen them, so hey.